What's good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazz, and I am bringing you a quick and easy, simple everyday makeup routine. I've definitely simplified my items, so I hope this helps you. So let's get right into it. I put on my headband and some chapstick because your girl was looking crusty, and we want to protect the edges when we're doing our makeup. Alright, so now I'm going into my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, and I'm just using this one because I want a little bit of hydration and moisture when it comes to my skin. So I'm just rubbing that all over and making sure that it is well blended and patted into my skin. Next we have our Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear in the shade 435, and I'm only taking 2 pumps of this foundation. And I know that it's a full coverage foundation, but I promise with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, it turns out pretty light. And I'm blending out my foundation in real time. I know that in the video it looks like I'm speeding up or sped it up, but like I take a long time to blend out my foundation, so that's why I go so quickly, because it just takes me forever, because I like to make sure I have a seamless base before anything else. I won't be using concealer in this video, so I just take more of the Lancome foundation and apply more up under my eyes to cover my dark circles. Then I'm going in with my bronzer. I'm using the Black Radiance Finishing Powder and the Morphe M527 brush to bronze my face. I'm just taking that bronzer and putting it around the perimeter of my face to bring back some warmth. Then I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and Morphe E58 brush and setting my entire face with this powder. Notice that I'm not using like a heavy translucent powder. I really wanted a light look and make it look as seamless and more like the skin than a regular foundation routine. Then I'm going in with my NARS sample size Orgasm Blush in the Real Techniques Blush Brush, and I am applying that blush to my cheeks and the perimeter of my face a little bit to bring back some color. I also like this blush because it has a little bit of highlight in it, so I also have like a very nice glow from within kind of deal going on here. Now onto the eyebrows. I am taking an eyebrow powder in my Anastasia Beverly Hills angled brush. As you can see, I needed to pluck a couple of hairs, so we're just gonna go ahead and get that out the way. Go ahead and carve out my brows and just fill them in. You guys will be able to see how I fill them in on my good brow. Then I'm just going back in with that spoolie and making sure everything is blended out right and nice. Then I'm taking my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara and going back in just to lighten them up a little bit and making sure that my eyebrows stay put. Then I'm taking a Morphe eyeshadow brush and I'm going back in with that bronzer, just placing that all over the lid and adding some warmth back into my eyes. I'm taking an e.l.f. contour brush and I'm going back in with that bronzer as well and just carving out my nose a little bit. From the eyebrow to the tip of the eyebrow to like the middle of my nose, just to give a slight contour, but nothing crazy, nothing extra, nothing extravagant. Going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, I will be applying this mascara to both the top and bottom of my eyelashes. And that was pretty much the last step of my entire routine. I did not set my face, but here I am trying to get cute for y'all, okay? So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple tutorial. I will see you in my next video. Bye!